Hi Umaka, none. Let's learn feelings in Igbo. Biano. Happy, angoli.
Yay!
Sad, nwute. Crying, ibe akwa. Laughing, ochi. Sleep, ora. Hungry, ago. Excited, obi ụtọ. Anger, iwe. Let's say them together. Ready? Aṅụrị, mwute, ibe akwa, ọchị, ụra, agụụ, obi ụtọ, iwe. Great job, Umaka. Keep learning Igbo one word at a time. Bye bye.